Hello everyone, in this particular video I want to show you how I was able to build a French learning app without coding. Like, I've never built an app before. I'm a website developer, but you see, app development, I don't do it. But with the use of AI, I have been able to build an app within just 30 minutes. No coding. I have no idea of any coding that will go behind the scene and all of that, but I was able to build an app, a French learning app, an app that when you click on it, when you install it, um, you will be able to learn how to speak French. You learn the basic things you need to know about French, numbers, places, families, like basic things that has to do with French. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the app right now. It's the app you're seeing on my screen right now. This is the app. Just come to this travel and locals. You can see learn French every day. This is the app I built, and I'm going to walk you through the app. Let's see how the app looks together. Then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the AI tool I use in building this particular app that I am using to learn French step by step. Let's dive in. So I click on the app and we're going to see how it looks like. Can you see how it is? So this is the interface. You come here, you see home, you see profile. Okay, so you can take quizzes, you can do daily practice, you can do favorite words, and so on and so forth. So when you come to home, you see lesson categories that I'm supposed to take. You see numbers, you see greetings, you see common phrases. These are the things that are being taught in this particular app. So let's start with the greetings. So when I click on greetings, you see the greetings. You see hello. Hello means bonjour. Good evening means bonsoir. Good night means bonne nuit. Can you see how it is? This is so amazing, to be honest. So if I click on it, I will be able to for now, the listening option is not yet activated, you get, because it's still in the testing stage, but the app is fully ready. So you see this listening to pronunciation. Once you click on it, you should be able to listen to it and get the full pronunciation. So that way you know what hello means, and bonjour, you get to see the pronunciation, and then you see examples and so on and so forth. So if you've learned this particular French word, all you need to do is to click on mark as complete. So you click on go back. Okay, you can see now that it's completed. I click on good evening, and then I also listen, and then I also look at the examples, how it's being used, the pronunciation and what it means, the cultural tip and everything. When I'm done, as usual, I click on mark as complete. So you have to make sure that you are studying it very well, because at the end of the day, you have to take a lesson that will determine if you truly know these things that you have read. Do you understand? So I go back, I go to good night, just like that. I just listen to all of them, see the examples, and if I'm okay with it, I just click on mark as complete and I go back to the next stage. So that's how it is. So this is for what? For greetings. So if I'm done with greetings, I just click on numbers. So I see numbers, how numbers are being used. Just like that, as usual, I will just make sure I pay close attention. I listen to the pronunciation, I listen to I check the examples, how to use it in a sentence, and so on. If I'm done, I click on completed. So if I go back, you see common phrases as well. So you see merci, you see um you see so many of them. All right, this is so amazing, to be honest. So you see for food, you see water, you see bread. So these are just simple things that you can learn that has to do with French. Okay, so if I'm done with everything here now, I just go back to where I have my test my knowledge. I see my greetings basics. Okay, I've tested my knowledge before now on greeting basics, and I got 80%. So let's go to numbers 1 to 10. So they say which of the French word is for 3. So I'm going to say is this one, submit, and then if it's correct, I see the answers immediately. So I click on finished. I go to the next one, just like that. That's how you just do it over and over. You go to common phrases, you have 4 questions, and if you answer it correctly, you also see how it looks. Okay, so that's how the app is structured, and I'm so amazed that this thing was done with AI. Like, there was a time where if you want to build an application, you have to assemble so many developers together. You have to assemble front end, back end, people who are specialized in certain programming languages, Python, JavaScript, and the rest of them. But now you don't even need to do that. Can you see how amazing it is? You don't need to do that, because AI is here to help you. That's why I always tell business owners, AI is here to help your business grow faster, scale faster. You don't need to struggle for certain things, because there are certain things that on a normal day would actually stress business owners. But right now, you don't need to go through that stress to get your business moving. It's just a matter of you knowing what you want, putting in the right prompt, and you are good to go. Okay, so I finished this particular quiz. All I need to do is to go back to my home. So you can see now my that's my progress is showing here on greetings, on numbers, and just like that. Do you understand? So that is how this app is being structured. So I come here to see lessons that I've done. If I'm okay or I want to practice them over and over again, I can also do that. Then there is vocabularies like words for animals, places, people, just like that. Can you see all of them? These are vocabularies, okay, that you need to practice. Maybe you want to call a dog, you're going to the house, family, just like that. These are examples of vocabularies that you can what learn. And all of this was done with AI. I did not do anything apart from telling it the kind of app I want to build, and then I was able to also install it on my device for testing. Okay, so if I want the general public to be able to use it, I will not have to upload it to Google Play Store, okay, by going through maybe one or two process of getting an approved Play Store account where I will upload my app to. But for now, it's still on the testing stage, and I'm the only one who can actually install it at the moment. Except you want to install it, I'll send you the link so you can install on your own device. So you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I will drop the link for you to be able to install it and also check it out from your end. Okay, now let me go ahead now and show you guys this particular app that I use to develop this app for free. So the platform is called Manus AI. Okay, so come to my let's go to my screen. You're going to see Manus. This is Manus. Can you see it here? This particular app here, this is Manus. So I click on Manus. Okay, you have to create an account with them. It's free, but although you'll be restricted to some extent depending on what you're doing. So if you want to upgrade your account, that's fine. But what I was able to do, the app I was able to build, I did not pay for it. It's actually free. Okay, so what I did was I came, let me go to the chat so you see everything from scratch. So this is the chat I had with this particular Manus AI. I simply came here and say develop an app that teaches how to speak French easily. So you can see the chat I had with the AI here. So it started building it. It does every single thing from start to finish. So by the time it was done with the building and all that, I was given an option, okay, which I'm going to show to you. So you see here now, it's done building it. So I was given an option to publish it. So I click on the publish, and instead of publishing it directly to, they gave me options, okay, either I publish it directly to Google Play Store or I take it to GitHub and so on. So what I did was I said I wanted to use it for my personal use, and it has limited distribution, meaning not so many persons can install it, just a few persons. Do you understand? So I selected the option of personal use and limited distribution so I can be able to test it and see everything. But before I show you that, let me show you all the resources that has to do with this particular app. So I clicked on settings, and you see the you get to preview it here. If you want to, the way I was able to also open the app, you can preview it here and see how the app looks like. You go to your profile, you come back to home, you will be able to preview it here. So I come back here to code. So you see all the codes that has to do with setting up this particular application. Can you see all the codes, every single thing from start? So if at the end of the day I want to make any correction, maybe I want to change the colors, I want to do anything on it. So if at the end of the day I want to do any correction on it, with the help of these codes you're seeing here, I will be able to do all of that, because I can easily download the codes from here. You see this download option here? I'll be able to download all the files. You see, I can download all the files and keep them somewhere. So that's how it is. So I just go back now. From code, you see your database and all of that. So this is so amazing. You see your file storage, you see all the files that you have here. Every single thing is here. Okay, so you go to settings, you see application secrets. Now these are secret keys for your applications, like API keys or third-party services. Storing them here allows your application to securely access these services at runtime. Okay, so now the next thing I want to show you here, let's go back to preview. So under preview here, if you want to publish it now, click on this publish. So when you click on publish and then you say you want to download it, so you click on the option to download. So it's either you download it as APK or you copy the link. Once you copy the link and paste it on your browser, it will automatically download it to your system. Or you can use another phone and scan. Maybe someone else wants to use it, wants to install it on their phone and also test it out. They can just scan this QR code and it will install on their device immediately. Okay, so when you finish installing, your phone will do the scanning to be sure if the application is free, if it is free from malware or anything at all, before it will install on your device for you. Okay, so you saw the conversation. I just told you to build me an app for so and so. So you also can do that as a business owner or as someone who is also trying out to maybe learn how to use AI. You can just come to this particular Manus AI, okay, and tell it what you want it to build for you. Now remember, another option for publishing is if you want to publish to Google Play Store, you can build for publish. Can you see it now? You can build it for publishing, meaning this build for publishing. Now we build this app now specifically for publishing to Google Play Store. So let me click on it and see how it looks. So you see build in progress. Okay, this is one of the things I love about AI. They are very, very straightforward, straight to point, no giving, no gimmicks and all of that. So it's building now in progress, so I can publish it to what? Google Play Store. So remember, it's just a very simple chat. Okay, just tell AI what you want it to do, and the app remains Manus AI. You can use this particular platform to build any type of app that you want. It does all the coding from the back end to the front end and every single thing that you want. If you also want to make adjustment, all you need is to go back to the chat and tell it, oh, I want you to add XYZ, just like this, something like this to the app feature, and so on and so. So that's how I was able to build this particular app using AI. Okay, so if you want to get the code to this particular site, let me know. I'll forward the link to you so you can install and also test run it from your end. See you in my next video. Bye.